Tips to keep students engaged in your classroom. Hi subscribers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new video telling you on how to keep students engaged in a classroom. So watch the video till the end and let us know how was it. First is warm-up session. First is first, a solid start can influence how pupils understand the lectures. It would be a good idea to begin with a warm-up session. One popular activity is to write some points relevant to what was taught in the prior lesson on the board. Students may actively seek out the flaws in it in collaborative manner. Second, light movements. Make them participate in mild motions at the beginning or the middle of the class if they are drowsy to boost their focus and attention. The exercises may be tailored to the class you are working with. Hand clapping, rhythmic finger snapping, or cross crawls or short march can all be used. Third, quick writes. When you have finished a specific topic, you might ask them to write down what you have taught them. It may incorporate essential elements discussed in the topic as well as their opinion or conclusion on any challenging reason. This is an excellent method for keeping pupils interested in the courses. This courses may be concentrate more thoughtful to the next lesson. Fourth and the next, mixed teaching styles. Following the same teaching method in every session bores the pupil and causes them to lose interest. As a result, it is preferable to alter teaching approaches often so that pupils have a better learning experience. Approach various subjects in different ways while keeping the students' interests in mind. Fifth, group works. Group learning is just as important as self-learning because students can be taught to think in group and make better group discussions. Once in a while, group tasks might be offered so that students can share their thoughts and collaborate on a project. They may express their own opinion while also embracing or considering the idea of others. This is another method for keeping pupils interested in the classroom. Sixth, connect with real life. Student would find it interesting if teacher can connect the subject that is being taught to incident in real life. This also helps them to relate the subject better and gain a better understanding. Seventh, quizzes and polls. Once a topic is covered, quizzes can be conducted by dividing classes into groups. Not only engaging but also one of the spontaneous ways to assess their understanding. Polls can also be conducted to get their feedback on the lessons, which is another option to pass the dead time. Next and the last, take small breaks. Instead of having an hour-long teaching session, take small groups in between to refresh the minds of students. You can talk or share something out of the syllabus and have a chit-chat time with the students. We hope the video was informative and helpful for you and your friends. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you liked our research and work on the video. Thank you and stay tuned.